coding episode of Rust, and today we're gonna finish the guessing game. I've been studying other things, but my knowledge is not really good to start a big project. I think these videos will improve a lot after I have a more extensive amount of knowledge. I'm just typing random things here to please your ears. Okay. So we stopped it after the input. We need to do the random part now. Give me a second. Let me scratch. Oh, oops. Oh my god, it's a ton of stuff. Generating secret. Next, we need to generate a secret number. The users will try to guess the secret number should be different every time. So the game is fun to play more than once. We use a random number between 1 and 100, so the game isn't too difficult. Rust doesn't include random number functionality in its standard library. I think C doesn't as well. You had to import rand.h, I think. Rand crate with sad functionality. Using the crate to get more function. Remember that the crate is a collection of Rust's source code. The project we've been building is binary crate. I don't know what that means. Isn't an executable? Okay, the rand crate is a library crate. I think that makes sense. Which contains code that is intended to be used in other programs and can be executed on its own. Okay, this is the definition of a library. Cargo's coordination of external crates is where cargo really shines. Before we can write code that is real, we need to modify the tone obvious whatever file to include rand crate dependency. Open that file now and add the following to the bottom dependencies. Section header that cargo created. Let me move over. Be sure to specify rands exactly as we have here with this version number, or the code assumptions might not work. Let's see. Rust rand library Rust information. Open 0.8 alright. 0.8.5 alright. I have here the files. This is the tone file. Dependencies. Rand. 0.8.5. I know it's more efficient to Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, but you wouldn't listen to me typing. Okay. And the cargo tone file with few thousand head is part of the section that continues until another section starts in. With the cargo which external queries are product in this case cargo is a semantic version, sometimes called Sunver. Okay, this is just telling we need to specify the version. Which is a standard for writing version numbers. The specifier is actually shorthand for this guy 0.8.5, which means any version is at least but not below 9. Oh, it's any version above this. Okay, alright, so it doesn't mean the rank will be this one, but anything above it. Cargo consider these versions to have public APIs I don't know what API mean, whatever. Compatible version specification ensures that get the latest patch release. Nice. Any version is not guaranteed to have the same API as what the following example views. Now, without changing any of the code, let's build a project. It's showing listing. Okay. Let's cargo. Is it cargo run? Cargo build. Piling run core. Nice. Run. Alright. Now let's do cargo run. Oh, but I didn't add any freaking code. Oh my god. You may see different versions of numbers, but they will not be compatible with the code, so thanks to some okay, in different lines depending. So it's not any version above 0.8.5. It's any version above that is compatible. I feel that is this. I might be wrong. Don't use this video as a tutorial. I'm a noob. Some for understand something for something. Some first and right specification. Yeah, but below. Okay. Cargo checks the dependencies. When we include this cargo-based version, we think that the dependency needs from the registry, which is a copy of data from crates.io. What is this? It's a website that has crates from Rust. Alright. So, does this mean that I wouldn't be able to have done this the first time if I didn't have internet? Probably. Okay. Crates that I use where people in Rust ecosystem posting open source Rust programs for registers. If you're updating the registry, cargo checks the policy, yeah, it's the loader now. Although we only listed run as a dependency, cargo also were the other crates that ran depends on. Let's take a look. Okay, we have rand, get random, cfgi, if, by the order, rand cha-cha, what? Rand cha-cha. What a name. 0, it's a lot of crates. If you immediately run cargo build again without making changes, won't get any output aside from the finishing one. Cargo knows it has already downloaded and compiled the plans. Let's see. Cargo build. Yes, it's not downloading them again or compiling them. Cargo also knows that you haven't changed anything about your code, so it doesn't recompile it. With nothing to do, it simply exists. If you open the main file, make a trivial change and then save and build again, you only see 2 lines of output. Okay, these lines show that Cargo updates the builder tiny change. Okay, this all makes sense. Ensuring reproducible builds with cargo lock file. Cargo has a mechanism that you can rebuild the same artifact every time. If no one else builds a cargo, will use only the versions of the dependencies you specify until you indicate otherwise. For example, say the next version was. I was taking a sip of my soda. Anyways, 0.8.6 of run crate comes out, and that version contains an important bug fix, but also contains a regression that break your code. To handle this, Rust creates cargo.log file. For the first time we run cargo build, so we now have this in the guessing game directory. Cargo log, alright. Let's edit this to my Inky, and we will use the version specifies there rather than doing all the work figuring versions. Other words probably mean explicitly upgrade things to cargo.log file because cargo.log file is important. Reproducible builds. It's often checked with source control test project. Okay, Mr. Krabs and what is cargo.log file on Rust realms? Rust. Alright. Update and create to get a new version. Oh, okay. When you do want to update a crate, cargo crates are basically libraries. No, because my main program is also a crate, but it is an executable crate. Okay. Which command update, which will ignore the cargo.log and figure out all the latest versions, feature specification in cargo tom file. Cargo will then write those versions cargo.log file. In this case, cargo will only look for the versions greater than 8.0.8.5 and less than this guy. If the rain crate has released the 2 new versions, you would see the following if you run the cargo play. Cargo ignores. At this point, you will also notice change in your cargo.log file. So, to use run version 9 or any version, you will have to update it to look like this instead. Okay. Let's put all of this in my Yankee. It's kind of bad to copy things to Inky. Okay. How do you decorate your Rust project? Next time you run cargo build, the data crates available with the later requirements. There's a lot more to say about it. We'll discuss in chapter 14, but for now, that's all you need to know. Easy reuse of microserver stations, that's us guys. People that study Rust are able to write smaller projects that are seen from a number of packages. Generating a random number, let's go. Rand to generate us. Okay. first we add a line use rand RNG. Okay, it's something like this. No, this at the beginning. Use rand RNG. Is it RNG? Or am I mixing things in my mind? Random number generator. Okay. We're adding two lines. Random thread RNG. Function that gives partial number generation ready to use. And it is local to call current thread efficiency of the operating system. Okay. Then we call the genRange method random number generation. This method defined by RNG traits that we block into scope with the use rand RNG step. The genRange method takes our range expressions as argument and generates a random number in range. The kind of range expression we are using here takes the form starts ... equals in. What the hell is this? And includes the lower and upper bounds. I have no idea what this is. Oh, lower and upper bounds. Okay, this is how a random number from 1 to 100. Okay. Does this include 1 and 100? Probably. We'll test it later. So you will just know which trace to use and which method is functions to call from a crate. So each crate has documentation and a feature carries there. Oh, nice. That's just a tiny reminder. If you're interested in running function around rand crate, for example, one cargo. Okay. The second line scripts a secret number. Try running a program, but you didn't give me the code. I have no idea. Yeah, comparing the guests. I still don't know how to generate a secret number. Okay. Rand function gives this particular number works. It's not saying how to use this. Like, let's see if there's any. Okay. And trend. Oops. Let's see if there's anything wrong. Cargo run. Cargo check. Cargo check is a faster version of cargo run. It's not actually compiling, it's just checking for errors. Okay. Wording guessing game. Use runs. I didn't save. Okay. Cargo check. Okay. Then we call the genRange on the random number generator. This method is defined by RNG. Use rand into the scope. Use rand RNG. Rand thread. Oh my god. Here's red. No. Near red. Full scar. Orange. Okay. Let's check for errors. Cargo, the error cannot comply with the game due to the groups. Double call. Oh, okay. Done. No errors, 2 warnings only. Connect the generate method state version. Generates gen range. Okay. Gen range. Let x equals gen range. One dot is this it? It seems so wrong. Yeah. Okay guys, I have a problem. There is a soccer match that is gonna start and people here are gonna go crazy, so I won't be able to record these videos right now. But yeah, I'll try to figure this out, and in the next episode we'll finish the guessing. This is going slow, but thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you the next time. Bye bye. Let's spin by. Very good. Bye. Adios. Ciao. Ciao.